Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to our next Femitech video tutorial. Now, for this episode, guys, I'm gonna actually show you how to actually enter the BIOS for this ASUS laptop, or show you how to actually change the booting device. Because let's say, for example, you want to reinstall Windows on this laptop, then definitely you'd have to know where to go and change that booting device. So presently I'm actually in within that section of the BIOS where you can of course change a booting device. If you look at the screen, it is saying please select boot device. So I'm going to actually restart the laptop and basically show you how to reach this screen. So let's restart the laptop. Now, once you press the power button to power up the laptop, continue pressing down on the escape key. So that's what I'm doing. Just pressing the escape key continuously, and it is at the extreme top to the left corner there of the keyboard. So it is as simple as that. Just simple. Power up your laptop. Once you press the power button, continue pressing the escape key until you reach this screen. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again, guys, thanks again. Femitech is out of here.